Everyone. Happy Friday. I kind of miss saying that in these little videos. As you can see, I'm not here today. So please, all of my virtual kids and my hybrid kids that are home today, please make sure that you go and sign into the Google Doc for attendance. That's really necessary today. So there will be no Zoom today, so you can just go ahead and watch this video, and it's going to let you know what to do. So hope you enjoy the weekend and have a great day. So the first thing you're going to do today is go ahead and watch the conductors and insulators thermal energy transfer video. This is really helpful. These are about conductors, which help us conduct energy, and insulators, which helps us insulate that. So once that is done, you are going to go back to PowerSchool, see what's next. It says read and highlight. So right here, you're going to grab this link. It takes you to a Cami doc. So please highlight and read about my conductors. Minerals that conduct heat well, and insulators are materials that do not conduct heat well. And then complete the box. Once that is done, go back to the home page, look to see what we have to do. It's our interactivity. You're going to head over to Clever and open your Pearson Easy Bridge under Science, and you have a day at the beach has been assigned to you. You're going to explore the best type of insulator to keep your drinks cold while you're at the beach. We're all outside in the summer, so that is something that will be useful for us. When you are done, submit your work by pushing the submit button. Finally, and that looks like this right here, keeping things cool, please use complete sentences, periods, capitals, really nice 7th grade sentence content. Once you're done with that, go back to our PowerSchool page, and the very last thing that you will be doing today is an exit ticket. This is new to us. So you're going to click right here on the exit ticket, but you have to know your room name. It's Love 4809. So I'll walk you through it. You click on your exit ticket, and this is where you go. You do a student login. You do Love 4809. You join. Please put your first and your last name. And you're going to go there and answer this question. On a hot summer day, would you prefer to jump with black leather seats or seats covered in light gray cloth? What it's supposed to say is, would you rather jump in a car with black leather seats or seats covered in a light gray cloth? Why or why not? Be very descriptive. Use words like insulator and conductor in those. So you have to watch the video, do the reading, the interactivity, and then the exit ticket. So if you have time left over, please make sure that your popcorn lab is in. Please make sure that your simulation lab is in and your heat transfer reading is in, and that your quiz is complete from yesterday. So I'm sure you guys are going to be awesome. Have a great day. Bye.